All right, number 19 from yesterday's notes. Help me out here. Distribute the 3. What do we get when we distribute the 3? 6a minus 18. What are you distributing next? The negative or a -1? Yes. You're distributing the negative or a -1. So what's that going to become now? This will become plus 3a and plus 1. Are we seeing that? Because that will kill you in these in finding the solution. Over on the other side, 4a minus 2. Combine your like terms. Good. What can I combine over here? 6a and the 3a. And I can combine the negative 18 and the positive 1. Go ahead. All right. So I end up with 9a minus 17 equals 4a minus 2. However you want to proceed from here. A lot of different things. Anybody have a preference? Add 17. Fine. (9a) equals 4a plus 15. Yep, subtract the 4a over. (5a) equals 15, so my value of a, 3. 3. In your groups right now, 17 and 18. 17 and 18, please, in your groups. And I want it checked. 17 and 18, I want it checked. If there's disagreement within your group, somebody's right, somebody's wrong, check it. Check it. Did you check that one? 17. So I believe if you point 2, that's your final answer. I believe if you plugged it in, you would see that would not check. So you need to go back to the drawing board. Let's go. That's why I'm asking you guys to check it. You'll see if it's right or wrong right away. 17, you should be getting y equals 1. And for 18, you should be getting x equals 6. All right, y equals 1, x equals 6. And some of you are checking, and you're like, hey, I must have got it right. All right, because both sides are equal. And that's the great thing about your calculator does the work. All right, if you can't put in the numbers, that just equals laziness. All right, if you're not willing to put in the numbers. All right. Any questions about 17 and 18? Because we got to go on to today's new topic. Any questions going? Yep. 18. All right. Well, help me out here. What'd you distribute first? So x squared plus 2x. Go ahead. What are you distributing next? Okay, go ahead. Negative. Yep. You got it. Equals 10x minus 12. Help me clean up the left side. What's going to cancel out here? The x squareds are going to cancel out, right? And I'm going to be left with 2x and 6x, which is 8x, equals 10x minus 12, and see where we're going from here. Move the 10x over, you get negative 2x equals negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 2, we get x equals 6. Okay? Any questions? All right, so yesterday, here's where we were yesterday. We were monomial times a polynomial. I think we did pretty well. How comfortable did we feel there? We feel all right at this point. Again, if you are struggling right now, get in here and get it fixed, because it's just going to start snowballing now. All right? All we're going to keep doing is multiplying. So if you feel like, I'm not that great at multiplying, get in here. Because today what we're doing is binomial times a binomial, binomial times a trinomial. All right. If you look on your notes under 7.3, there goes two different methods. It's called the horizontal and the FOIL method. You know which method I'm going to use? Neither one of them. All right. I'm not a big fan of either one. Here's what I need you to write right at the top of your paper in big words here. Double distribute. If you hear your friends using the FOIL term and it's got another algebra teacher, fine. Go ahead. All right, let them use their FOIL term. All right, we use double distribute. Everyone knows how to distribute, correct? Guess what that double part means? We're going to do it twice. That's all we're doing. We're going to distribute twice in the same problem. All right? So what I want you to do here first, x plus 3 and x minus 4, do me a favor so you're not focused on this part right here. Get that crud out of there. That's not how we're going to roll in here with the horizontal method. We're going to do double distribute. What's x plus 3? Is that a monomial, binomial, or trinomial? Hasn't been that long. This is a binomial. What's x plus x minus 4? That's a binomial. So we're multiplying two binomials. Here's where double distribute comes in. You take your first binomial. What's the first term here? X. Distribute it to the second one. Ready? x times x, x times negative 4. Somebody help me out. X times x. X squared. X times negative 4. Minus 4x. There's one distribution. Double means we're going to have to do it twice. Any wild ideas what we're going to distribute next? The positive 3, yes. So I'm going to take the positive 3, distribute it. What do I have first? 3x squared plus 3x. And then I'm going to do 3 times negative 4, which ends up being minus 12. Got it. Because there's still stuff you guys can clean up here. Yep. You can combine the two middle terms. X squared, negative 4x and 3x. Clean it up. Clean it up. Negative x minus 12. Everyone look all right here. All right, I'm still going to do double. I'm not a big fan of this FOIL method. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. And one day along the way, I'll tell you why I hate FOIL, but not ready for that yet. All right, here we go. What's the first term I'm going to distribute? X. So go ahead. X times x. X times 5. Let's see. Can I get that back up here now? Without this whole thing crashing down on me? Probably not. No, I didn't think so. Why would it? All right, x times x. X squared. X times 5. 5x. Now what do you want to distribute? Negative 2. The negative goes with it. Negative 2 times x minus 2x, and then negative 2 times 5. Negative 10. We going too fast or we good here? Combine your like terms. X squared, 5x minus 2x. Minus 10. Everyone all right on how this double distribution is going? All right, let's see what else. I'm not going to do all these because you guys see on your assignment sheet, you have pages 6 and 7. So you're going to finish whatever we don't right now. Okay, so I'm just going to skip around here and do a couple different ones. All right, let's go to number 6. Let's go to number 6. 2x minus 1 times x plus 5. What do you want to distribute first? 2x. All right, here we go. So 2x times x. 2x squared. 2x times 5. 10x. This is why if you are not that great at multiplying, get in here. All right, there's the first one. Where's the second? What are we going to distribute second? Negative 1. Go right ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Negative 1 times x. Negative x. Negative 1 times 5. Negative 5. Combine your like terms in the middle. 2x squared. Can't combine anything with that, but what about these two? Plus 9x minus 5. Yes, sir. Standard form, correct. And they usually will be already in standard form how you write it, so you won't have to worry about putting it in standard form yourself. Questions? All right, let's jump to 8. Let's jump to 8. Really wish this would get working for me, but I'll take whatever. All right, you know what I'm gonna go? Here we go. 7. Here we go. 7. What do you want to distribute first? Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you distributing first? 8m. Okay, go ahead. Now you go 8m and 8m. Squared. 8m times 2. Yep. Okay, here we go. Number 16. What do I distribute next? Oh, look at that. Pick the one that's not here. 25. What's next? What am I distributing next? Negative 2. Go ahead. Negative 2 times 8m. Negative 2 times positive 2. Negative 4. All right, need help cleaning it up? Let's go with number 2. Help me clean it up, number 2. 64m squared. What happens in the middle with these two guys? They cancel each other out. See ya. So I'm just left with minus 4. All right. Anything right now before we get to some big dogs? Basic stuff here. Again, you guys are going to finish this, most of it for your homework here. Whoa, boy, let's go to 14. Multivariables here on 14. All right, let's start this off right. 10, what do you want to distribute first, number 10? All right, here we go. A times 2a, go ahead. And then the a to negative 5b. Yep. And again, I think we talked about this yesterday. If you guys write 5ab or 5ba, I do not care. All right, the order there doesn't matter. Thank you very much, sir. Let's roll to number 20 right now. Number 20, what do you want to distribute next?
The negative 3b to the 2a.
Okay, so I'll get negative 6ab or ba, whatever you prefer. And then be careful here. Negative 3b times a negative 5b.
Would be negative 15b.
Negative times a negative. Be careful.
15
plus 15b squared. Good. Number 6. Is there anything I can combine up here?
6ab and 5ab.
Yes, ready? Remember what I said. Same exponent, same variables you can combine. Same variable, same exponent. So 2a squared, when I combine them, what do they become? Negative 5 minus 6. Negative 11 ab plus 15b squared. And somebody asked the question about standard form. I'm not looking for any standard form with 2 variables. We okay? A couple more, and then I'll let you go on your own so you can start the homework, which is to finish those 2 pages. We got to definitely, oh, yeah, we do. Here we go, 16. Actually, you know what? We'll do the example. Now, not 2 binomials now. What's this one? What's 3x plus 2? That's a binomial. And what's 2x squared minus 4x plus 5? Trinomial. Are my rules going to change? No. Here's what's going to change. You got to do a little extra step. A little more work. That's it. A little more work. Number 21. What do you want to distribute first? A 3x. 3x. You're just going to have to distribute it a little bit more than twice. So here we go. 3x times 2x squared. Who's 21? 21. 21? No 21 in the house? Okay, 8. Number 8. Yep. 3x times negative 4x. Negative 12x what? Squared. Good. Hold on here. Let's back up. 6x. All right, here, let's just refresh. Everyone refresh. Ready? 3x times 2x squared. 6x to the third. Everyone see why it's to the third? I add my exponents. All right, let's take our time. 3x times negative 4x. 3x times 5. Is everyone seeing the attention to detail here? Taking your time, because you could miss something we just did there at the beginning. Woo! All right, here we go. 26. What do I want to distribute next? You have 26 here, or are they absent? 26. What do you want to distribute next? I just distributed 3x. What should I be distributing next? All right, 3x. Now what should I distribute in that binomial? The 2, ready? Do it with me. 2 times 2x squared.
4x squared.
2 times negative 4x.
Negative 8x.
And then finally, 2 times 5. Woo! There it is. Now we got a clean house. Clean it up a little bit here. Remember, if you guys want to underline, if you want to do shapes like I showed you yesterday around the like terms, go ahead and do so. If you want to cross out, lightly cross out, because I need to see it for work when I correct your tests and quizzes, you can lightly cross out. All right, here we go. Number 13. 13? Or they're out. 12. Okay, here we go. Anything with the 6x to the third going to get combined. Nope, but it's got to go in my answer. Negative 12x squared and?
4x.
Go ahead. Negative 12 and 4.
Minus 8x squared.
Yep. How about with the 15? So 15x minus 8x. 7x, and then what's the only thing I didn't take care of? Plus 10. Taking your time. That's the biggest thing. Take your time. No rushing through it. Do you guys feel like you can start up here? Okay. You can start working with each other. Up to you. You know where the answer key is located. All right. Showing your work, though. Just don't copy the answer key from Aspen. Assignment sheet says pages 6 and 7. Finish them up.